Hey guys, we got another video here. We're doing a Motorola, I think this is called the Z4. Yeah, Z4 back camera glass repair. So we have the replacement glass, as you can see here, and we're going to install that. Alright, so the first thing is, you want to heat it up. After we already kind of preheated it a little bit, then you're going to get your razor blade or something sharp, and you want to just kind of carefully pick this out. Okay, usually there's some tape. It's already underneath there. You can just gently peel that up. It should come off pretty easy. There you go. The only problem is when the camera is exposed. You're gonna get like dust and stuff in there. You gotta be very careful. So I'm gonna get a nice clean cloth. 1 second. So we're here. Let's start to. I don't like using like, I don't know. Sometimes with iPhones, if you put like alcohol, I don't know. Maybe I was using the harsher alcohol, the 99%, but it was like making spots on the glass. So right now it seems to be okay. And I kind of don't want to make it worse, but I did test and it was a little bit foggy. Let's see if there's any like stuff in here. Get it out. You want to clean that out. Okay, so we cleaned the little ball with some 99% alcohol. It's still a little foggy, but I don't want to scratch the lens. Although this is a microfiber lip cloth. It is what it is. It looks a lot better than it was before. But because this was exposed for a while, you can kind of see it looks a little bit better. Not that great, but it's better than before. Alright, so now we clean that. Let's go ahead and get our glue. B7000 glue. And let's prep this real quick. This is going to go down. This is going to be the top. I can take the top off. Okay. Make sure which part goes where. Yeah, this part goes at the bottom. That goes up the top. It's a proximity sensor. Okay. I don't like when they put their little glues on here, but I'm probably gonna just leave that on there. Okay, so let's just use our glue here. I'm gonna put too much glue there. That should be okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and put ours down. It's a proximity sensor. It's the light. Okay. And there we go. That's pretty easy. Just clean it with a little alcohol. It should be good to go. Alright guys, there you have it. Just let it dry and you just repaired it. Alright, give us a like. Have a great day.